Business travel can be exciting, but it often comes with challenges that can derail productivity and add stress to your schedule. The key to a seamless and hassle-free trip lies in smart planning, efficient packing, and leveraging the right tools and strategies. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or preparing for your first business trip, here's your ultimate guide to making travel productive, cost-effective, and enjoyable. Let's start with planning and booking. Using the right platforms like Skyscanner, Expedia, and Egencia can save you time and money by comparing flights, bundling services, and tailoring your itinerary to business needs. If you're planning a longer stay, Airbnb for Work offers unique, home-like accommodations perfect for extended trips. Booking during off-peak hours or using apps like Hopper to predict price drops can also help you secure the best deals. And don't forget flexible tickets. They're a lifesaver if plans change at the last minute. Travel insurance is another must-have. Unexpected events like flight cancellations, lost luggage, or medical emergencies can disrupt even the best laid plans. Providers like World Nomads, Allianz Travel Insurance, and AIG Travel Guard offer tailored policies for business travelers, ensuring you're covered no matter what. If you use a corporate credit card like the American Express Platinum, check for built-in insurance perks to save on additional costs. When it comes to packing, efficiency is everything. Stick to carry-on essentials, your laptop, portable charger, universal adapter, and noise-canceling headphones like the Sony WH-1000 XM4. Wrinkle-free business attire, TSA-approved toiletries, and your travel documents are non-negotiables. Stylish, durable luggage like away travel bags makes packing even easier, combining functionality with a professional look. Staying connected and productive on the road is crucial for business travelers. Apps like TripIt and Notion help you manage schedules and itineraries effortlessly, while portable Wi-Fi devices like the Skyroam Solis ensure uninterrupted internet access abroad. Use downtime on flights to catch up on work or reading by downloading files and articles in advance through Google Drive or Pocket. Choosing the right accommodations can significantly enhance your travel experience. Platforms like Booking.com allow you to filter options with business facilities like free Wi-Fi or meeting rooms, while loyalty programs like Marriott Bonvoy or Hilton Honors offer upgrades and exclusive perks that make your stay more comfortable. Finally, don't overlook travel rewards programs. These programs turn your expenses into free flights, hotel stays, and luxury upgrades. Whether you're using airline loyalty programs like Delta SkyMiles or credit cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve, maximizing rewards ensures you get the most value from your business trips. By planning smarter, packing lighter, and staying connected, you can transform your business travel into an efficient and even enjoyable experience. To learn more tips and tricks, subscribe to The Positive Review, your go-to source for travel strategies, product recommendations, and expert advice. Follow us on social media for daily updates, exclusive deals, and insider hacks to make your next business trip a breeze.